Sanibonani, welcome back to inye video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining me. Thank you very much. Please kindly subscribe. Mangabaka subscribe the channel, uya like video, share. And yeah, man, you guys yabuka again nama ads azodlala ku video. So kule video guys ngizothanda ukubuyela a little bit back kancane based on ama comments engiwabonayo. Remember that drama between Usne noMangwabe on Uthando Nesithembu season 8. That was episode what? I think I forgot the episode, but anyways, siyayazi sonke idrama kaMangwabe noSne. Kwaba khona ubaba uMzamsele kuye wabiza i-meeting so that uSne noMangwabe noMakhumalo and then uMpilo was also there, which means uMpilo naye mhlawumbe unokungaboni ngasolinye noSne. Ubaba uMzamsele wayethi abazo sort out their differences, right? Remember uSne going to i-podcast ethize afika kukhuluma ukuthi ke uMangwabe wafika wadla irole laphana ntontoni kwakuno auntie osizayo ekhaya, and then uthe mayidla irole kwaba inkinga engaka, and then I think all that thing did not sit well with uMangwabe. So why she do Usne on that particular podcast ukuthi akababoni akabathandisisi, I'm sorry, amakhosikazi kababa kuMangwabe noMakhumalo, and then she then mentioned indaba ye role, right? Kwaba into etrendayo, kunabantu abahlekisa ngoMangwabe bafethu, izikhona izinto eziningi abantu abazikhuluma ukuthi hawu i role, you know, yonke into esingayazi eyakhulunywa ngoSne singazi nokuthi kuyiqiniso kangakanani, but ugeli wathi yena wathethisela irole laphana, angazi lale ngelomphako noma kwaku10. Okay, so ngifuna ukuthi angithi ngibuyele back kancane, and then sibona ke kule particular meeting baba uMzamsele wabiza uSne, wangamtshela ukuthi ubize noMangwabe noMakhumalo. Mhlambe mina ngibona ngathi ukuze angamtshela uSne simply because wayazi ukuthi uSne angeke aze kuleyo meeting. Ngoba uSne mina ngokumbona kwami ngibona ngathi uyalibona iphutha lakhe when it comes to mentioning that on a podcast. So engathi le nto leyo ngathi uzama ukuyibalekela, because even on the meeting masebefikile, why did uSne run away, right? For me she was just run away, avoiding a conversation. Ngeke ukuthi babakhe kubizile ukuthi mntanami ngizofuna sihlaleni phansi bese wena nje you just be rude and uyahamba, right? So ngibonani baba uMsamsele kwabona ukuthi if angamtshela ukuthi ngizobiza wena noMangwabe noMakhumalo noMpilo ngoba nodadweni ngathi aliboni ngasolinye whatever their differences, ngibona ngathi she was added uMpilo so that naye she can sort out her differences with uSne. So kube wayemtshelile uSne wayengezukuza. Bakhona phela bathi why baba uMzamsele engazange asho kuSne ukuthi ngiyakubiza nabo mama bakho nizokhuluma. But for me then ngayibhekisisa ngathi maybe wazi ukuthi uma ngingamtshela akazi ukubuya, but ngoba mina ngiyafuna ukuthi bayilungise ithi ngithi kuSne ubizwa yimi. So uSne uthe mayesehleli nobaba wakhe laphana ke kwase kufika ke waqala wamtshela wathi bazothi mabefika labanye uSne wathi oba, right? Waseyasho baba uMzamsele ukuthi mama bakho ntontoni, wavele wathi mina vele mabefika lana ngathi wakhuluma nje lento evele ehambisana nokuthi mabefika lana mina ngizohamba, and she did exactly that. For me ke mina mangithi uSne urude, uSne uyadelela, mhlambe kubonakala ngathi ngiyamzonda. Ngiyabona abantu abaningi vele bethi uSne uyadelela, urude, udelela kwayena uyise. Uma ubaba wakhe kubizile ethi mntanami sizokuhlalisa phansi, as a child you better sit down and listen. Ukhuzwe mawubona ukuthi awukho wrong nawe uchaza ukuthi hayi mina bengalibona iphutha lami because u1 no2 no3. But me, that's why mina kwelami side ngithi ngibona ngathi uSne ubelibalekela leli aphutha lakhe le podcast. Akazange afune nokuchaza ukuthi hayi ngaya laphana ngoba mhlambe ngagcina sengithe ngoba mhlambe uyikhulumele nje. Cha, uSne nje wavele waba rude zisuka, wahle wasusa indaba ye-role zisuka uMangwabe sathi ekhuluma ngoba hawu ngoba uchaza ukukhuluma uyakhuluma manje, wahle wafaka indaba ye-role zisuka, i-conversation isuka usuthi ufaka i-role, wena uyancisana i-role kwakho, wena uyancisana i-role kwakho, hawu isasuka nje inkulumo, you know what I mean. For me ngabona ngathi ubeyidoja because maybe she sees her mistake, yabo, ngoba vele ngathi sekunesikhathi ke bengaboni ngasolinye nxa ukuthi uMangwabe ngathi ayimhlalanga kahle le ndaba kwathiwa yena uncishane nge-role, right? Okay, so for me ngibona kuyi disrespect ukuthi umzali mayekubizile. Angithi asikhulisa ngokufana guys, bakhona abantu abami noSne babona ngathi uSne uyazondwa. Wow, I hate someone engingamazi engakaze like ngikubuka kumabona kude and then ngiyakuzonda, like come on guys, like izondo ingenaphi? Sikhuluma nje ngento esiyibonayo lathi sikwazi nje ukureviewa, you know, like usho nje into nawo oyibonayo nawo usungasho ka-comment section your side, right? For me ngibona ngathi ngendlela mina engakhuliswa umzali umekubiza ethi ngizokukhuza, you don't stand up and go, ungale nje uhambe. You can't do that. Hlala phansi la ufuna ukubeka khona nawe la kubeke la ukuthi hayi kodwa phela nangasho ngoba phela ngathethiswa laphana ngize ngidlele leya role kwathiwa ngidle irole yaba into engaka. USine wahluleka nje azikhulumele lokho. She just had to make excuse and she stormed out. For me, I'm like, girl, just sit down. It's a meeting. Hlala phansi nje nikhulume. For me sokwakukuvala ukuthi vele iphutha lami ngiyalibona waseyastoma uyahamba. So ngibona athi kuyi-disrespect. So that's why bengifuna ukuthi kuleyo ndawo ngithi ngibona ngathi baba uMsamsele kwabona ukuthi uma engamtshela ukuthi ubize noMakhumalo noma ngwabi akazi ukuza uSine bafowethu. So khona lokho mina ngibona kuyi-disrespect, hayi ukuthi uyazonda bafowethu. Why would we hate uSine? You can see guys, uSine she's a beautiful girl. Ngiya-understanda futhi kunabamenshina kwake kwaba nendaba yokuthi wadlongulwa nguyise isamkhulu oyise omncane. I pity her. Nobody deserves that. Kwaba khona futhi nestory lesi sokuthi ngoba washonela uma wakhe. But into engingayifuni ukuthi every time when she is wrong, then we have to bring the fact that washonela uma wakhe. Hayi bafethu, like we see ama-wrongs wakaSine. Sibona indelelo yakhe nendlela akhulisa ngakhona abantu azasale emva kwangengane zakhe baze bamsale emva. Sine ingane. Have you seen i-conversation yakhe noma yeni before about her children? Have you seen i-conversation yakhe nobaba wakhe about her children? Have you seen i-conversation yakhe noMacele about her children? Engathi ngulwana umuntu nje ogijimisa like ukuthi aziyele bafanele ayolale bafanele abantwana baze babose Sine uzibhekile ingane. Sine imagine your own child kumele uzukhunjuzwe. So ngibona ngathi khona laphana abantu basuke bemtreat ngezindlela because of i-behavior yakhe, ukudelela kwakhe, ukunganakekeli kwakhe ingane zakhe. Abantu basuke bamthatha ukuthi ufuna ukuzala nje aqeda ingane azipha abanye abantu ukuthi abamsize yena nje angazinakekeli. Based on what that girl Thando said kuleya trip kuhambile lokho, something like that. I'm like, what was that? Because that is her daughter, and the way she spoke there angazi ukuthi mhlambe indlela abona umaya senza ngakhona la ekhaya, the way umama a-acta ngakhona. Kanti ngiyangisho ngithi bazomtreat the way yena abehave ngakhona. You understand? Ngithi mina abantu ekhaya kaMsele kungathi bamtreat the way abehave ngakhona. I-behavior yakhe yenza ukuthi abantu bamtreat ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi hawu Sine vele akanandaba nengane zakhe, uzakhunjuzwa uzasala emva, uSine vele uyadelela, uSine uhambe elale bafanele, ephume ekhaya kaMsele emzini kayise ayibafanele azadingwe uSine yakhe ekhaya ekamereni kungcolile, ekitchen kunjani amabhodwe ukudla kubolile sekuyanuka. Yonke leyo nto I think everyone then treats her based on that. I-behavior ziphathe kahle njengomntwana oyintombazane ekhaya uzobona nawe bazokuphatha kahle. Manje ke bakhona ngithi abafuna ukuqhathanisa uSine noMpilo kuthiwe uSine phela ngoba kanamzali. uSine uMpilo ukhuliswa nguMakhumalo. Okay, I hate ukuthi uma wakho usaphila, right? But ke still naye ukhuliswa nguma okungayena wakhe. NjengoSine ekhuliswa uMacele, uMpilo ukhuliswa nguMakhumalo. Just look at the behavior. Nina niqhathanisa yonke, mina ngiqhathanisi but sengizoshoke. There's a difference between Mpilo and Sine. Kunomahluko uyabona. That's why ngithi ukuziphatha kahle kubalekile. Uyayabo? That's why ngicina ngithi ukuziphatha kahle kubalekile. So uMpilo the way aziphethe ngakhona, like again umuntu oyenza lezi zinto ezenziwa nguSine, axekwe, anganakekeli ingane zakhe. I know she doesn't have kids yet, but still, you know what I mean? There's a party I think angazi abaxabanisa yini yengane ukuthi uSine wathi ubona ngathi uMpilo akathandi ingane zakhe. Angazi leyo yayiqhamukaphi, but mhlambe iyona mhlambe ngathi ababoni ngasolinye ngayo uthi uSine uMpilo uyazitshela bese mina mase ngithi ngiyabuka mhlambe ubona uMpilo indlela aphethe ngayo lapha nguMakhumalo ekhaya kaMakhumalo, then bese ebona ukuthi yena ngathi uyazonda, ngathi yena akaphethe kahle, ngathi bona abantu bamphethe uhleli njalo ethi hey mina ekhaya vele lana abantu intontontoni. I think it's based on her behavior. Why labo bantu bengekho njalo kuMpilo? Why labo bantu bengekho njalo uAbongwe? You know, angimention nje laba abakhulu ngiyeke laba abancane, you know. I think it's the behavior. Why uMpilo ekhula kahle kaMakhumalo and then uSine of course uMacele umkhulisa kahle, but sizwile ukuthi kwake kwaba nenkinga khona lapho bangwabazathenga khona igrosa ntontontoni. uMacele naye mhlawumbe wayekhathele wagcina yona kwaba khona inkinga bagcina bezilungisileke, but ke still I think the behavior, you know what I mean. But ke so ikhathi video ingazibe nte azoba mabili ukwenzela ukuthi singaze sabamde kakhulu in one video.